Welcome back, Binder fans. Jeff here at IH Parts America, and today we're here to talk about this 1969 Scout 800A that we just finished up out of our shop. So when this Scout came to us, it basically was another one of them puzzles, as we like to call it. It came to us in a million pieces where a previous shop had failed to finish the restoration on it. So we hopped in it, did a bunch of body work, and sent the body off to paint. It came out beautiful. As you can see, this is a Volkswagen gold color. The Scout is running a rebuilt 304 engine in it with a Hamilton fuel injection system, and it is mated to a T18 4-speed transmission and a Dana 20 transfer case. The front axle is a Dana 30 with a CPT disc brake conversion on it, and the rear is the original Dana 44 axle with 373 gears both front and rear, and a power lock differential in the back for a little bit extra traction. For suspension, as usual, we've put our tried and true CPT suspension kit for the 8800 underneath this with Bilstein shocks front and back. We also put in a CPT power steering system to make the turning of this Scout so much easier. To complement the Hamilton fuel injection system, we put in a pair of our brand new CPT stainless steel fuel tanks. These things have in-tank pumps, again made from stainless steel, real super nice setup with this automatic switch valve. On the interior, we've got our CPT dash on there with new Isspro gauges. In all our interiors, we always like to apply LizardSkin, and this Scout has a total of 12 gallons of LizardSkin applied to it for both sound and heat control. We sent the original seats down to Auburn to our favorite upholsterer, Romans, and he recovered them in a nice vinyl material. The original wiper motors were rebuilt. They are vacuum operated, and to help assist them, we put in this vacuum chamber. I know one of the things we always get a question is what size tires are on this Scout. This particular Scout happens to have 16-inch wheels, and the tire size is a 265, 75, and again on a 16-inch wheel. All right, well that's the in and outs of this beautiful 1969 Scout 800A. Let's go take it for a drive and see how it performs. Man, I gotta tell you, that's so much fun. You know, not everybody needs an LS and has to have automatic transmission with multiple speeds and all that. This old 304 with a 4-speed just brings it back to what it originally was. You know, just a great old piece of muscle and iron, and man, a lot of fun driving it. Hope you like what you saw today. Check back next time. Hopefully we'll get another build out of the shop soon, or see what else is next. Maybe a trail ride, maybe some off-road building. Check it out. Stay tuned.